It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button. We also have the power lift gate where we're able to open that to maximum opening 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls and the park brake, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth interior. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above we have OnStar and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. And to the right of the steering wheel we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down. At the front of the Elevation Edition we have the darkened grille, LED headlamps, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, black mirror caps, roof rails, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Blacked out emblems, the rear window wiper, remote start, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the back of the Terrain, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo mats, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear fans and 2 USB ports. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're also able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain SLE Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.